Hi, I'm Ann Myrick, and I'm going to show you today how to clean a sofa. What you want to do is get all your pillows and get everything off. If the back pillows will come off, then you want to take those off too. And then you can either you can use your vacuum with the attachments, or you can use your small little vac. I'm just going to go on and use the bigger vacuum today. And what you want to do is start with taking all your cushions off, and many times there's food, there's pencils, there's all types of things. This is very clean, but many times there's all types of things underneath the cushions. So what you want to do first is get pencils, everything that you can pick up and clean the underneath, and then you want to turn on your vacuum. And you want to just clean all the crumbs up. What you're going to do is just go layer by layer. Then we're going to look at the cushions, and if the cushions need to be brushed or if they need to be cleaned, you can take your cushion and clean each individual cushion. And sometimes what I do is I turn them, because a lot of times one side of the couch is sat on more than the other, so this way it will keep weight distributed. And then same thing, you want to check your pillows. And if you need to clean your back pillows, I like to change those too. And then if you have the arms and the back, a lot of times we'll get, if there's a dog or a cat, we'll get hair. So you want to take your vacuum and just clean around the whole side and back of the vacuum. Being sure that you get all the dirt and hair off the sofa. This is Ann Myrick, and that's how you clean a sofa.